प्लीज मेरी सांस को बेरोक रखिए। दिवाली पे पटाखे स्किप कीजिए। Let Diwali be about lights and laddus and love and not pollution. Reduce the use of firecrackers so that you all, asthmatics like me, asthmatics like me, asthmatics like me, asthmatics like me, please मेरी सांस को बेरोक रखिए। दिवाली पे पटाखे स्किप कीजिए। प्लीज मेरी सांस को बेरोक रखिए। दिवाली पे पटाखे स्किप कीजिए। प्लीज मेरी सांस को बेरोक रखिए। दिवाली पे पटाखे स्किप कीजिए।
Diwali is the biggest festival in India, but now every year people care so much about pollution that they want cracker-free Diwali. No crackers, let's celebrate pollution-free Diwali. I'll show you how much people actually care about pollution. Everyone wants cracker-free Diwali because firecrackers create pollution and make air quality worse. So how far are they responsible for poor air quality? Around this time of the year, Delhi and other cities in northern India experience worsening air quality because of a combination of factors, not just because of Diwali firecrackers. And this includes crop burning by farmers in Punjab and Haryana states. In early November, farmers in the states of Punjab and Haryana burned the stubble from the previous harvest to prepare the land for the next season. And this is the main reason for the rise in smoke in Delhi. So should we blame farmers for this? No. This is the government's responsibility. They should help farmers with this. Exhaust emissions from vehicles. Accept it or not, the vehicle population is so high in the city. One person is owning 2 to 3 cars is very common in Delhi. Construction work in Delhi. Wherever you go in Delhi, you will find construction happening in Delhi. We can't blame them because construction is a part of our development. Burning wastage and of course industrial activities. Let me show you some pictures. Do you see this? This is not Switzerland covered in snow. This is Yamuna River in Delhi filled with toxic foam drained into the river from industries. And Diwali fireworks did not do this overnight. These are the main reasons for the worst air quality in Delhi, not fireworks. And we can't control them, nor we can stop them. Since the air quality is bad anyway at this time of the year, so how do we know what contribution does Diwali make? But before that, a very curious question arises that why do we burst firecrackers on Diwali? Because Diwali is the festival of the victory of the light over darkness. Then why crackers during Diwali? During the autumn months in India, there is an abundance of an insect called tiny leaf hopper. These insects are a serious threat to plants and especially rice crops. So how can we control these insects? To control these insects, we need sulfur. Okay, so how do we kill these insects with sulfur? Simple, spray it on the plants. But how to spray these chemicals all over the country so that they cover each and every corner? To do this, the required effort and cost would be astronomical. Hence, the firecrackers have sulfur and there were hardly any corner in the country where people did not burst firecrackers on Diwali days. The sulfur fumes are light, they rise fast and mix with the natural gases in the environment and thereby eradicating most of these insects. Therefore, people starting bursting firecracker on Diwali to save plants. And that's how burning firecrackers during Diwali became a tradition. And that's what I read, and that makes sense too. You can correct me if I'm wrong. So now we know the reason behind bursting crackers on Diwali. Now let's talk about Diwali's contribution to increasing pollution. A study focused on 5 locations across Delhi and looked at the data gathered. These are 5 days before Diwali and these are 5 days after Diwali. So the influence of Diwali is limited and it is noted that it goes back to the same pollution level after 4 to 5 days. Now I'll show you how much people actually care about pollution. So people only care about pollution on social media just to show how good human beings they are. But when it comes to their lives, they don't care about pollution at all. I'm sorry, but that's the harsh reality. Let me show you some examples. Burning firecrackers on Dussehra is not pollution, it's celebration. Burning firecracker on election win is not pollution, it's celebration. Burning firecracker on marriages is not pollution, it's celebration. Burning firecrackers on India win is not pollution, it's celebration. burning firecrackers on New Year is not pollution, it's celebration. But burning firecrackers on Diwali is not celebration, it's pollution. I mean, people enjoy watching burning Ravan on Dashera. People enjoy fireworks on New Year Eve. People enjoy using air condition 24/7. And no one say anything about this. But for single day, for single night, everyone sitting in AC acts like don't burn firecrackers, save the environment. I mean, who the are you to say this? Are you doing each and everything in a way that does not lead to pollution? Are you? I mean, people are sitting in air conditioned room and typing on social media hashtag cracker free Diwali. This is like a person who is smoking a cigarette and telling others don't burn firecrackers. It causes pollution. Something like that. Yes, firecrackers has nothing to do with Diwali, but it has been a part of our childhood and tradition. Do you remember we used to have chapters about Diwali in our school syllabus? And we used to write an essay about Diwali, that why we celebrate Diwali. Don't you remember that? Let's be honest. Diwali is not Diwali if the ambience is not like So why we don't celebrate Diwali anymore the way we used to? Because we don't follow our hearts. We follow others. If we do something different, then society will not accept us. And we fear that. Therefore, we close our eyes to the truth. We think we are creating pollution-free environment by not bursting crackers for one day in a year. But that's not true. If people are really worried about the environment, then sell your cars and motorbikes and buy bicycles. But no one will do that. Like I said, when it comes to their own lives, people don't care about pollution. But I want to make this clear. I know some people are genuinely interested in saving the environment and thus have given up crackers, and I respect them. But I believe such people are in the minority. At least we have some genuine people. Some of you must be saying, how can you promote pollution? I'm not promoting pollution. All I'm saying this, if you are really against the firecrackers, then stick to it the whole year. Why people only talk about pollution on Diwali and no other festivals or occasions like Dashera, marriages, New Year? Why only Diwali? Why people, politicians, companies care about pollution only on Diwali, not on other festivals? Why only Diwali? Actors, they tweet hashtag pollution free Diwali while they are driving in their car or flying in their private jet, and they forget about their hashtag when it comes to movie promotions. Even companies talk about cracker free Diwali, but in their advertisement they used firecrackers.
शुरू जब हम करेंगे शुरुआत पैंटलून्स के साथ पैंटलून्स.
Even now airline companies are saying pollution free Diwali. This should be the joke of the year. I mean, that's just stupid. And these are the reasons behind.
और इस वक्त आपको बता दें, दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस को संबोधित करें.
हम लोग सब लोग मिलके दिवाली मनाएंगे, पटाखे नहीं जलाएंगे.
Have you ever said this on Dashera?
पटाखे नहीं जलाएंगे.
Have you ever said this on marriages?
पटाखे नहीं जलाएंगे.
Have you ever said this on New Year?
पटाखे नहीं जलाएंगे.
Have you ever said this on other festivals?
पटाखे नहीं जलाएंगे.
But when Diwali comes?
पटाखे नहीं जलाएंगे. अगर पटाखे जलाएंगे, अपने ही बच्चों की जिंदगी के साथ खेल रहे हैं हम लोग.
Playing or not playing, I don't know, but why you say all this only one day in a year? Do other 364 days crackers release oxygen?
प्रदूषण को ध्यान में रखते हुए पटाखों की सेल या इस्तेमाल दोनों वर्जित है.
Sir, why don't you show care for pollution before and after Diwali?
30 तारीख तक ना तो कोई सेल हो सकता है, ना किसी पटाखे का इस्तेमाल हो सकता है.
See, the ban is only for 30th November. After that, burst as many crackers as you like. New Year, Christmas. If you want to ban crackers, then ban for the whole year. Why only Diwali? I mean, Diwali is 2 hours festival and everyone has a problem with it.
दिवाली पे पटाखे skip कीजिए.
पटाखे नहीं जलाएंगे.
I mean, this is stupid. I know a lot of stereotypes are going to hate me for making this video, but this is the reality, whether they like it or not. And they don't have any right to preach about pollution when they are silent on other 364 days. See, we are living in a world where people travel by car to do the cycling. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So don't give up our tradition, our upbringing, kids' happiness. Don't take the joy of one day's festival. Bursting crackers or not bursting crackers, that is your personal choice. So enjoy your Diwali and any other festival the way you want. If hashtag could have clean pollution, then why do we need scientists? That's just stupid.